I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You need two essentials now: an Apple ID signed in on the device and location services active. Open Settings, tap your name, then Find My. Turn on Find My iPhone and send last location so the device reports its position when battery runs low. Once done, confirm the device appears under your account name and is connected to Wi-Fi or cellular. This ensures the iCloud service can locate the phone immediately and retain the last known coordinates if it goes. Open the Find My app on another Apple device or sign into iCloud. Calm and choose Devices. You'll see a map and the device's status. Pinch and zoom to refine the view. If it's nearby, tap play sound to make the phone ring even if silent. If missing, tap Mark as Lost Mode to remotely lock the phone, display a contact message, and suspend Apple Pay. This both protects your data and provides a recovery pathway while the location updates in the background. Head to the reported location only if it's safe. Follow the contact message or coordinate with authorities if needed. If you cannot recover the phone, choose Erase this device to remove your data. Remember, this disables further location tracking, so erase only as a last resort. Once erased, remove the device from your account to allow someone else to activate it. If Find My isn't working, make sure your Apple ID is correct, the device has network access, and iCloud services are online as a...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.